Good morning, friends. Happy Friday to all of you. There is a new update on the Plus-Up stimulus payments, and many Americans are now eligible to receive a one-time $400 stimulus check from the government. Those that are eligible can expect to receive this extra relief money very soon. Dear friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video for all the details. I will also be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter these giveaways, all you have to do is click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card giveaway. And friends, in a video later today, I will be announcing today's winner of the gift card. So please listen for the keywords and stay tuned for that video.
Because American farmers and ranchers deserve real assistance, real relief, real policy solutions. To understand my opposition, you must understand the part of the country that I represent and was raised in. The 3rd District of Oklahoma was the epicenter of the drought, the Dust Bowl, the economic depression of the 1930s. This was a time when horrible weather conditions collided with misguided federal ag and misguided federal monetary policy to create an environment that profoundly changed the region that my family has called home for over 120 years. I was raised on those stories, and it was their experiences that shaped my view on what the role of the federal government should be. The federal government should be passing and enacting policies that help people and businesses, not hinder them. Unfortunately, the Biden administration and House Democrats seem to not hold that same view. During the past 5 years, American farmers and ranchers have weathered volatile world markets, devastating natural disasters, prolonged droughts, supply chain disruptions, ever-increasing input costs, and soaring inflation. Yet the only thing the Biden administration and House Democrats seem interested in doing is increasing regulatory burdens, limiting access to fuel, and passing spending packages that fuel inflation. Mr. Speaker, if House Democrats were truly interested in providing relief for American farmers and ranchers, they would join my Republican colleagues and I in calling for the Biden administration to reinstate the Trump-era waters of the United States.
Colorado Governor Jared Polis, along with leadership from the House and Senate, announced that Coloradans will receive a $400 stimulus check in August or September of this year. According to a news release, the stimulus is available to full-time Colorado residents who have filed their 2021 tax returns by the May 31st deadline. Approximately 3.1 million Coloradans are eligible for the rebate. Democratic Senate President Steve Fenberg has told reporters this week Coloradans are up against high rates of inflation and a rising cost of living, and they're feeling the pinch. This year, we're able to extend much-needed support to families and individuals in the form of direct relief to taxpayers. We're helping Coloradans make ends meet during this challenging time by putting money directly back into their wallets. The legislation designed to help Coloradans combat the rising costs of everyday necessities will provide $400 for a single filer or $800 for joint filers. The state's strong economic rebound, which includes more than 100% recovery rate of jobs lost during the crisis and a 3.7% unemployment rate, has led to a record state surplus. So friends, do you think that a $400 stimulus payment is enough to help Americans financially who are struggling right now? Please let me know in the comment section below. Many taxpayers who also claimed the recovery rebate credit when they filed their 2021 tax returns are discovering they might not qualify for extra cash at all. And if they do qualify, they're going to need to deal with the IRS to receive any extra money. The Internal Revenue Service is sending out notices to tax filers who made mistakes claiming that they were owed extra stimulus cash through the recovery rebate credit on their 2021 federal income tax returns. The IRS is informing taxpayers not to file an amended return in these cases. And not surprisingly, tax filers are dealing with a lot of frustration, confusion, and anxiety when they receive the letters and bad news, instead of the refund cash that they had expected. The IRS informed taxpayers earlier in the tax season that was seeing mistakes in claiming the recovery rebate credit once again this year, and the child tax credit, and mistakes could trigger waiting several weeks to resolve some of these issues. According to a blog by the National Taxpayer Advocate, the IRS had issued 9.4 million math error notices, including 8.3 million that were related to the recovery rebate credit and the child tax credit. Many individuals find the notices vague and confusing. For example, taxpayers who receive a math error notice adjusting the recovery rebate credit claimed on the return may be given reasons as to why the IRS made an adjustment to the credit. But not everyone was eligible for the stimulus money. The third payment was quickly phased out based on income. The payment was phased out entirely for single people with an adjusted gross income above $80,000 a year. The third round of stimulus money initially was based on 2019 or 2020 tax return information, but you might not have received all of your money at once. Plus-up payments were made last year to individuals whose advance payments was initially based on a 2019 return and who later filed their 2020 return, and that indicated that they qualified for much more money. The goal was to get people as much of the money that they were owed in advance. But you would not claim the credit if you already received all that you were due. Friends, the keyword for this video is cranberry. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, all you have to do, friends, is click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is cranberry, and additional keywords from any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. The IRS mailed out Notice 1444C to show how much was issued for the third stimulus payment. On top of that, the IRS began issuing what it calls Letter 6475 to help tax filers figure out how much they received for the third stimulus payment. Married couples who filed joint returns received 2 letters. So, friends, if you claim the recovery rebate credit on your tax return, the IRS said it will calculate the correct amount of the credit for 2021 if you had made a mistake. Well, my fantastic and fabulous friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so much for joining me here today, and I truly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. Remember, friends, the next giveaway is scheduled for later today. To enter the giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on with the keyword, the greater your chance of winning the giveaway. Thank you so much, my friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Friday.